In this video, I'll show you how to fade in and fade out subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm using DaVinci Resolve 21, which is a public beta, and this was recently added in DaVinci Resolve. This is a support page for DaVinci Resolve, and if you click on the latest downloads, let's look for DaVinci Resolve somewhere here. Right here, it should be under the public beta, and just click on read more. You're going to get this more or less page that you can actually print to see what's available. But if I press on Control F and look for fade, there are a couple of fades, but I want this particular one, subtitle support for fade in and fade out. So we know it's available, and I do have a video with some subtitles that I can use. So I'll just select both of them and just drag and drop them right here in the media pool, and just click on change or whatever, and then just begin with my video on the timeline. And obviously I'm going to begin from 0, and you can always set this from the preferences, and I do have a video on that, so just create that. We have our video on the timeline, and I do have the respective subtitle. I can just drag and drop it right here, and if I'm not mistaken, it should be synced. Yeah, it looks like it is synced the way I want it. Now, to fade in and fade out our subtitles, you'll need to do this manually. And when you actually select like a clip that is the subtitle right here, if you just hover, you can see what it looks like. There are handles that you can left click and hold and drag to fade in, left click and hold to fade out. So if I play this particular video right here,
in this tutorial,
you'll see the subtitles fade in.
I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature
and they fade out. As for these ones, because we've not added any effect,
to simulate eye contact with the camera even when you're reading from.
They just come in right there and then. It's super simple to do it, but you need to hold the handles. I wish there's a way to kind of do this in bulk. Like, let's assume you decide to select all your subtitles at once and just do the fade in, but as you can see, you just need to hover over there. We can actually just increase this particular inspector section, and I cannot see any option to do it in bulk, so you'll need to manually add in the fade in and the fade outs for each subtitle block that you need to work with. So probably if anybody from DaVinci is watching this, hopefully this is something they can add in future updates, such that you can actually just highlight your subtitles here, select the duration of the fade you want, and once you do that, that's set right here. Or you can actually just select a couple of them that you'd like to have the fade in and the fade out applied. And that is how you can fade in and fade out subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.